Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Louie's Raspberry Rides. Today I want to do a quick video on the rear seat release pull strap kit from Amazon. It was 10 bucks. This is a 2021, but this one still fits, so don't worry about it if you get the one that I'd leave in the description below. It'll work just fine. Since this is not an exciting product to review or install, and not hard by any means, I have supplied a little B-roll for you guys. Check it out. Alright, hopefully you guys don't need any water after that spicy B-roll. Let's get started. As you may have seen, I already had it installed, but that's how quick it is. It took me 2 minutes. But I'll go through a few things. First, it's not really that hard to get back here. Alright, all you gotta do is lift the seat up from the bottom, from the seating side, and as you can see, it kind of moves this forward, up and forward. All you do is put your hand back there, and there's a small nipple that you'll have to pull up, and that's what releases it. Okay, so you may not need this mod, but it's really inexpensive and easy to install. I don't see why anybody would have a problem with doing this. Your configuration might be different than mine. I do have a B&O sound system. It's not the Extreme or whatever it's called, Beast or whatever it is. It's the normal B&O one, and it's good enough for me. But anyway, like I said, I had it installed, uninstalled it really quick, just so I could show you guys step by step, and then what mine looks like. The seat was already released. As you'll see here, the back of mine. And sorry if the sun's messing anybody up, but you'll see I don't have a lot of room back here. But this little kit still gives me easy access to whatever I have back here. So I want to do a quick cut, and this is what it looks like without the mod. Okay, and it's a little loose just because, for the sake of the video, make it quicker, I'm going to go ahead and mount this GoPro to my head, and then I can go over the installation with you guys. Okay, hopefully this is a good view for everybody. But here we go. All right, you're gonna have your box. Super exciting stuff, guys, I know. Look at that, it was already pre-assembled for me. Anyway, this is a T27 Torx. All right, you'll use that to remove the plate with the seat latch. You'll remove these bolts really quick. Telling you guys, easiest installs on YouTube. While I have you guys here, I want to thank everybody that's subscribed lately and who's been liking, watching the videos. Really appreciate it. This is just for fun, guys. As you may have seen in my previous videos, I'm in the Army, so I do have a life outside of YouTube. This is just for fun. So anyway, thanks for liking, subscribing, all that good stuff. Really appreciate you guys. Okay, so you'll see this small hook in here, and that's what keeps it in there, besides the bolts, obviously, but it just kind of slides into position, that small hook. Right, you'll want to push it up and up. Right, up, up. Then here's your kit. You will slide this between here, like so. A scissor. Give me a little trouble. Anyway, it'll just slide on like that. See? What you want to do is slip this small plate in here that holds on and grabs on the nipple. You see? That's what releases the seat. Okay. Now, this might be a little bit more difficult without being able to see it, but just push the carpet down a little, line it up, line up your holes, your bolts back where they were. And that is it, guys. Tighten up your bolts. I've seen other guys do the DIYs, and from the looks of it, it looks like they spent more on material than you would on the kit from Amazon. So there you go. It's gonna look like that, guys. Super easy. Strap right there at the top. Even if it falls, you can still just reach down, grab the strap, pull up with this crap. But it does take a little force to get back in. I don't know why. Now it's tight. There's the strap. Okay, pull up, released, bam. Just that, guys, super easy. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll get to you as quickly as possible. Once again, thanks for watching. You guys take care.